Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on the graph cryptocurrency, the GRT right here, which is putting together some great numbers for the last 7 days. Scrembo from Emotionless Crypto Trading is happy to present you a price prediction for March 2024 from the most rational standpoint possible. On the cryptocurrency, which is part of the AI category, if we get out here on the coin market cap on AI category, right, we will be able to see the graph is number 4 ranked. And it is part of the ones that we're holding the spotlight in the past couple of days, especially for the last week scenario, all of them printing some great numbers. And if you consider looking into these cryptocurrencies for the past 3 months, you will be able to see the great outcomes. Before we dive into the price prediction, make sure to get inspired basically by the trades that we have right here on a BTC side. 38 grain is where we have entered, and we have $1.3 million profit, close to 1.4 million. Holding this one for a while already on a 19x leverage on the BTC long position. If you would like to be part of the trading that I run, if you want to be part of my journey, you can definitely do so. I'm going to speak about it at the end, including about the one-on-one coaching for professional education for anyone that is hunting financial freedom on cryptos. So let's speak about the GRT, guys. A cryptocurrency which definitely exploded and didn't even touch basically the major supply it had for the accumulation phase of the market once the bear phase ended. This is something that shows strength. The accumulation phase top was between 20 up to 22 cents, right? So you can definitely see that. When we have been retracing a couple of days ago with this long wick towards the downside, we have not been touching that. We've actually got supported on 24 cents and aggressively from there, and it's something that it's surprising a lot of the people, we have been going 108%, not in 16 days, but 108% if I measure that with the exact days. We have basically a 4 days price movement generating 108% for this cryptocurrency. And that is actually wild. So if you're asking me in the most honest way, this is something really, really wild for such big cryptocurrency to perform like that. It's clear a pattern and a behavior of the bull phase that we're going through, and it's something that is portraying a lot more about the altcoin season as well. BTC pumped to the all-time high, retraced a little bit, and then now it's time basically for the altcoins to make a step forward, as well for the Ethereum to continue its rally quite aggressively. What's happening at the end of the day? Well, you got basically the chance to see that we've got rejected by the 2.618, and we also have to deal with a little bit higher with a number 3 extension, guys, especially with such powerful supply zone that is coming from 2021. So this is going to be a supply active since the last 3 years, which will generate massive pressure. We didn't even touch that yet, and we have been already facing the front runners of that specific pattern. Now, the 2.618 is right there, but at the same time, for any form of retracement, the number 2 extension is right below us on 36 cents. That will act as a heavy buying pressure. So if for any reason we would like to retrace that quickly, this cryptocurrency is going to be heavily bought up on 36 cents and then continue its movement. Something that I see really dangerous is out there on the 50 up to 52 cents. If we successfully get out of that, then the purple line 3.618, 62 cents will be the next target. You might also generate a fake out into that and then come back into the 50 cents, lose that and retrace at some point. But for the moment, this is what we're portraying on March. Definitely not a price prediction which might sound extreme or any form other than a defensive way. But like I told you, and this is the reason why I've measured, we got more than 100% in a matter of a couple of days. You need to understand that there's people that have leveraged that. There's people that have made tons of amounts of money with that. That's pretty much all, guys. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe. And then for those of you that would like to go for financial freedom through education and believe it is important, then this is an intensive one-on-one coaching with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Check out the video for a detailed explanation and register now for a free call with me where I can explain you even more. At the same time, we have basically the completely trading done for you, which is running fully outsourced without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits made. This is basically an ability for you to join my trading journal and participate in my trade. That's it, simple. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.